What if all those galaxies out there are just paintings? And they don't really become real until we get close enough. That's a wild thought, man. You know, in a lot of ways, like, I agree. Actually, you know, it's funny, Mike. I just looked up at the chat and saw that you typed that. I agree. I was actually just about to say that. The kid in me, the Star Trek watching, alien believing, kid who wanted to grow up and build spaceships and study particles, hates simulation theory. Fucking hates it. And you're right. It's terrifying. It's scary. And also kind of a bummer, because it is entirely possible that they're only simulating us, that we are the only life in the universe. We won't run into intelligent life, because why would they simulate more than one? Maybe they created the simulation with the perfect amount of variables for us to exist, and that's why we're here. One of the possible solutions for the Fermi paradox is called the rare earth theory. And that is basically what it sounds like. Our planet, our specific set of circumstances that allows life to exist here is actually quite rare. And probably has occurred other places in our galaxy or in the universe. But because of the nature of the laws of physics as we understand them right now, we can't travel faster than the speed of light. Maybe they can't either. So there's a small handful of intelligent species all developing in the galaxy, completely unaware that each other exists. Think about the way the world was before we had Facebook, before we had Twitter, before we had Twitch, and we could reach out and, you know, my new friend Mike here is in Tokyo, for example. We would never speak to each other. There is no way that if we removed the disruptive technology of global communication, if we removed that variable, we would have never met. It's not possible. That's how probabilistic math works. But we introduced a new variable into the probability matrix, and bam, things change. So faster than light travel is probably the bottleneck for communication in a rare Earth scenario.